Oh, he's back.
Has it ever broke with the bucket?
He's the
I have had
Backstreet
people
Boy.
break with the bucket.
Wow.
Okay, now because of what happened with Lucas's, I'm just gonna go with sand
Should I do this?
because I think it's a little more accurate as to how much it will hold, and the sand is heavy.
Moist and it gets
He's
It's just gonna take a little longer. In other words, I can actually gradually add my load instead of putting the brake.
Google Pixel. It has more cameras than me anyways.
Techness.
I don't use that. My neighbor bought
Starting to bend.
It's not that much, but that's
Fortnite.
Oh, pieces are flying.
There goes a
off.
piece.
Oh, okay. Again, what's going to be the common denominator for y'all's bridges?
Bottom.
The bottoms are just breaking away because you really didn't know how particular to be with your glue joints at the time. Again, these are salvageable.
you should take. You should.
Can I just
look at it?
No. If you're going to do that, do it outside my presence. We work real hard on those and you're just going to blow it up.
It's the only thing I've been waiting for.
All right, the load for this bridge is
Oh, I got record that. Were you first?
8.4 pounds.
8.4 pounds.
Is that more than you?
Yeah.
Okay, remember,
This was Dallas's,
it's a
wasn't it?
comparison of these numbers, not this number alone. What I say, 8 point,
Yeah.
4 pounds. Who's going next?
okay? So yours did hold a pound more, but it weighed 7 grams more. We don't know what the answer's gonna be till we do the
BK was on video the whole time.
all right, give me another bridge.
You keep leaning up and down. Watch it. Look how big your head is, bro. And every picture, look, there's a head.
We just did
See,
one.
those are the pictures you got. There's a hand, and that one there's a head. And that picture Rollins and Jake and
All right, let me put the loading block on there first.
Is that Shane's?
I think, I don't know.
So is Shane's gonna be added to the equation of winning?
Whose
or-
is this?
That's Shane's.
I think we're getting ready to see,
Are we adding that one to the equation of winning because of its glue
again,
strike?
I think what you're gonna see is this side right here is not going to break away. And that's called lamination.
Requiz, so. Requiz.
We get to rebuild.
Yeah, rebuild.
Imagine when he's getting hold of some other whiteboard.
Yeah, I know.
But imagine we redo this and it make away like, and it could pick up like anybody else pick up that reverse. I did somebody else's one. I did mine.
You taste your, you eat your wax.
Heck no.
So we're waiting.
He was like, no.
I'm going to count, but he's still counting.
What?
That glue stripes.
Um,
Alright, it doesn't really make a difference, but
Again.
it's still, that's a lot of glue. It weighs a lot. Ready? I don't know, my neck is way as much as that was.
What did you do?
the tables, how are the tables getting closer and closer together?
Maybe because people.
No, the bridges are different sizes for some reason.
No, the bridges should all be the same size. All right, so we got about 1 inch bearing. Close enough. We take this guy, we're gonna put this sand back in.
On the magic floor.
On the Magic Fools bus.
Hey, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I say hi?
Hi.
You need to get off the couch.
Queso takes 3 slides. Queso is a 1x1 Lego piece. I've heard that.
Bucket only.
No wait. There's no way.
What time is it?
Because I'm hungry.
I was just about to die.
You can see it going down.
Wow.
And you didn't even hear a crack right there. See, it's not about to die.
It is.
It dies like after that.
But right here.
I can see some pieces on the bottom starting to move away from each other.
Yeah.
I can't see any.
Get ready, y'all. It's gonna be fanatic.
Move, Dallas. It's bending.
Okay.
Get ready. Get ready.
Bending.
2.
Shut up, Thomas.
Yep, it's gonna break right here.
No.
Are you serious?
It's not gonna break. It's not gonna break. You gotta say it's not gonna break. It's not gonna break.
It's not breaking.
It's not gonna break ever. I can guarantee it.
It's gonna break on this one.
Yeah.
Yo, with the amount of glue that's strung
you
across
Say,
the
now you know why you can't coat the wood with glue.
Yeah.
What did it do?
The glue is stronger than the wood.
Yeah, I was gonna say it
did not
made
know that.
it extremely.
Start putting
It's not gonna break. It's not gonna break.
It's gonna break.
Put a singular brick.
No way.
It's gonna break. It's gonna break. It's
Yeah,
gonna
put a
break.
break.
Put a
No,
bit.
you know what he's
Dallas, I'd move if I were you.
I'm not moving.
Why not?
Cause I'm not
If
moving.
he gets stabbed in the eye,
I'm showing you how American I am.
I can't see Dallas. Can you please?
it's gonna say kaboom and hit Dallas in the head.
Yeah, you might want to move back. You know, you don't have safety goggles on. You need to back up.
Do we need to?
Thank you.
What? That's half
Oh,
the
y'all
bucket.
saw that piece of wood fly off a moment ago.
have glasses.
What the
That's
heck?
close enough.
It's all fun and games till you put your eye out, kid.
You'll shoot your eye out.
No freaking way.
That is more than half of the bucket.
Lucas,
Oh,
look,
no.
look, look. Keep on video.
That's like
in case
one
it
quarter
breaks.
Yeah, see what's a
I am. I'm keeping it on video. Yeah, I reckon we put a break in there. We
Hi world.
Yeah, let's stick some bricks in
I
there.
think it's
We under
It's
No way.
What do you call
It's
it?
gonna break after this one.
All right, so this is a good. Did you
Yeah, I heard it.
example
did it.
of why they have rules and why you can't put glue outside of a certain dimension from the glue joint. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You can't do that.
Whoa there, buddy.
Piece, it just fell off.
So yeah, this bridge looks like it's going to do really well, but it's not in the competition
It would have been
because it would
disqualified.
have been disqualified. But what a better way to prove how strong that glue is.
It's lifting up the wood.
The wood's gonna break before the.
No,
No.
midget, look at the bottom of the bridge.
That's
Oh
never
my
been there.
god.
It's not even bending.
Look at the first cross joint from the table.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap.
Yes, it is.
That
Well, look at that piece right there.
It's gonna say kaboom. It's gotta break at some time. It's gotta break at some point. It's gonna say kaboom in
Oh,
like
it's gonna
5
break.
seconds. Yep.
There we go.
Hey, it's not done yet. Oh, I hear crack. Yep. That's it.
There we go.
I think I just.
Now, if you'll notice, there's a big difference between this bridge and the other ones in the way that it broke. Can you describe it?
This one broke at the top.
Well, it kind of broke in a lot of places all at the same time.
Yeah, but look,
It didn't break the bottom.
intact.
So really good bridges kind of hold and then all of a sudden explode. If the bottom breaks away, that tells you that it was a glue joint problem, not a structural problem.
I'm not going yet.
So let's weigh this one. It's going to be really heavy,
It's gonna weigh like 500 pounds.
but we know a little bit the why behind.
2 billion grams.
19.6 pounds.
We're not even in the game. I don't think so.
19.6 pounds. So are we gonna count them in the scores? Are we gonna count them in the scores on who won?
If a bridge is disqualified, they aren't in the rankings with the others.
It's between you or Ava that has to do this.
In other words,
Ours is pretty
you
still in.
can't compare apples and oranges. Only apples and
Ours is
apples.
still in pretty good.
Yeah, ours is pretty intact.
It's just
Look out.
We just have to
Yes.
re-glue the sides.
That's
and the
why
bottom.
I think that's worth doing. Okay, stop it.
That one's gonna be in a short Zafir.
All right, I've got 2 bridges left. I need one up here, please.
Rylan, do you want y'all?
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah. Y'all two, Rylan and Thomas.
Rock, paper, scissors. 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3.
No, he already said he's going. We're not going.
They want.
We're not rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You won. I won. You gotta go.
No, that means Thomas has choice. Do you want to go or do you want Rylan to go?
Rylan to go.
No.
I did decide Tandabomb.
Yeah, Lucas didn't measure this.
No, you didn't measure the sign.
Yes, I did. No, you did.
I did the top, the sides, both on the sides. You didn't do any of
How are the tables getting
I
close?
don't know.
I did the bridges.
Well, I think this thing is what's sliding, which is fine.
Yeah, that's probably.
So there you go. That's 11. Just
This
center
bridge
it
is
up.
short, so I'm just gonna put it as close.
Well, let me put this on first before we get real picky.
Do you want one of us to like hold it down, or would that like
No,
affect the bridge?
this being pinned down is fine. That being lifted up back there is not really hurting anything. Uh-oh,
Dallas.
that whole side is gone.
My name's Quandale.
Yeah, y'all might wanna.
Quandale did.
This is gonna be a short one. One scoop of sand.
No, we were.
The bottom of the thing's already coming off.
I know. Because we cut it and I didn't get to glue it back.
Whoa.
Views on this video?
You had Thursday and Friday and lunch and recess on those days when I wasn't here. You had lunch and recess all last week when we were building them. What happened?
What happened, man? What happened?
I'll tell you what happened. You just didn't know.
Yeah, that it was like.
Some things you just have to do, sometimes even a couple times, to really understand exactly what is best.
You're on YouTube.
It's a special guest.
Sideways.
Wait, did they break? Did y'all just break?
To the left. To the right.
He's still loading it up.
No.
Okay.
Dallas, did you just eat it?
He always eats it.
It's on there without.
Heck, I ate freaking concrete.
Oh, that's. You want me to get the bucket on?
I ate concrete.
You want me to get the bucket on?
Just be careful because I don't know.
Is this going on your
I don't want any impulse
channel?
forces on there because of the way the bottom is acting. Okay?
What?
Everybody not lightning.
Please don't. Please don't bump the tables.
Dallas, move your head.
Off the table. Back away. Drop the weapon. Drop the weapon.
Look.
It's gonna collapse.
Wow.
It's
One.
gonna come.
Look at the flex in that bridge.
It held longer than we could flex it.
No, it didn't.
We took a brick.
We took two.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
There it went.
And didn't we know that was going to happen?
Snap.
So again, it's not the structural nature of the bridge.
Right here.
It was the glue joints that was in there.
Can I have the bottom?
Like y'all said, the ugliest bridge last time was like that one.
Is that yours?
All right. Load up.
Cotton Eye Joe.
Can I say Cotton Eye Joe?
Cotton Eye Joe.
And
Look, I make
this
edits.
is our bridge next.
Look.
We did not do anything to it. We're
Quit.
just being
Look.
stupid.
Lucas, look. Up. Up. Down.
That was Jacob and Ryland.
Left.
E, which
right.
means it's probably
Cotton Eye Joe.
not heavy enough. You just get on it, make sure the battery's not low. Okay, I got a question. Can you guys tell me, what if this bucket is really not heavy enough to register on the scales? Can you guys come up with a way to find out how much this weighs with the equipment that we've got?
Can we stick it on that scale
No,
and then transfer the grams to pounds?
no, there's another way.
Step on it, eat it, and then
Figure out how much one scoop weighs.
Huh?
Figure out how much one scoop weighs.
Oh, that's probably not a bad idea, but what about the bucket and the handle and all that stuff? The bucket has mass. How do I figure that out?
You scoop sand out of the bucket and you figure out how much each part was, and then you weigh the bucket on the gram
I am not
scale.
going to measure any. I want to measure this load all at one time in one step.
Maybe
But it will not register because it's too light. So can you?
put some stains on it with it.
Yes. So if I hold this and weigh myself with the bucket, 183.4.
You're light.
in your head.
And then weigh myself without the bucket.
And then minus what you weigh.
179.6. Yes, and then we subtract.
Probably 4 pounds.
All right, so let's do some math. 14 from 6 is 8, right?
Yeah.
And then I can't take 9 away from 2, so I have to borrow 1. So how far between 9 and 12?
3. Wait. Yeah. 3.
Yeah,
12
that's right.
and 9, yeah.
And then I can't take 1 away from, or 7 minus 7 is
1, 0.
0, and then 1 minus 1 is, so 3.8 pounds.
They held 3.8.
Oh, we could just do that back.
Oh, wait, so we just...
Got one more.
Where did my pencil go? Oh, it's in my pocket.
Even though we
Now you
held
guys are
7
starting
pounds,
to
we
see
still
what
win.
I said.
Move.
After you watch a few people start doing other things, right? They start roaming around and
Mr. Hamburger, what was their weight?
evolving into activities. So
3.8 pounds.
3.8 pounds, yes. So just be patient. We got one more to go, and then we can
Wasn't
go
that?
through an assessment and write down our data
Was
and
that-
results. Let me put this loading
What
block
about a D?
in.
What about a do? I'm a leading them double go.
Let me put this loading block in.
Ruler 8. Half my bridge.
Okay. I am going to slide a loading block in. This bridge
This
seems
is in the right
extremely
spot.
tall.
The wood is in the right spot.
I said it's the Eiffel Tower.
I'm pretty sure that part right there is 3.5.
It's the bridge form of the Eiffel Tower.
Oh well, we're in too far.
If we die, we die together.
If your bridge dies, it
We
dies
die.
with it.
Yeah.
What?
The bridge dies.
It dies with it? What kind of
Can you not?
thing is that?
Owie.
Why?
Maybe you die with it?
Who all went to Winter Jam?
I went.
I definitely
Yeah.
keep
I'm
it.
going to
He didn't
four.
like it.
Are you keeping your
Why didn't you like it?
I don't like church rock.
Too loud music for
You
him.
don't like church rock?
No, look,
No.
it was like
What
crazy.
did you say?
I'm about to tell
I
you
don't
like.
like church rock.
Okay.
Look,
Well, what do you like?
I like actual Christian.
If you're happy
Well, it
and
is
you know
Christian
it, don't
music. You
clap
can't
your
say it's
hands.
not
Like,
Christian
you
music.
can't clap my
you
hands.
mean like
It has
like,
Christian
like,
lyrics.
like singing, like not rapping.
So one
Do you like, Thomas, do you like hymns or do you like contemporary music?
I honestly don't know.
Oh, like, what about church clap? You like church clap? You don't like that?
That's in the right spot.
Mr. Homer. That's in
All right, hold on. We're getting ready to load the bucket. Please don't knock the tables at this point.
Dallas. This is my bridge. Dallas, sit back in your chair.
No, you do.
Dallas, you're gonna keep it.
Dallas, get off the
I
table.
can tell somebody just bumped again.
I didn't even touch it.
Just don't touch it. Just keep off of the table. All right, because I really wouldn't want that to
Hi,
affect
world.
the bridge performance.
There's 21 people,
Hi, 21 people.
at least.
There's
This is
one.
my last video.
There's
got
one.
7.9.
I've subscribed to you.
Thank you.
I did.
Here's scoop number 2. Two.
That would be 3.8.
Lucas.
We got 3 scoops.
It's
A little
cracking.
creek. Next.
It is.
Can I record?
No.
Can I film?
You are not a cameraman, Dallas.
Lucas, use half the bridge.
Here's a quarter of a bridge.
Hi, 21 people. Hi, me. Hi, future me.
Watching this in like 8 hours.
Only 4
When are you gonna
Only 4
post
people.
it?
What pounds is that?
right after this?
I haven't counted.
We don't know yet. That's like 5. There we go.
Goodness gracious.
And again,
This is great.
that bridge should have held a whole lot more. I can tell by the way it broke that we had a glue joint issue. When the bottom just breaks away, that tells me these were really strong, and this was even strong, but what was holding them together, we should have just glued better. And now we know how to pay attention to some details. That was a nice bridge. And it had some
Can I have your bridge for
sand in it.
souvenir?
Let's see what the load was.
Mr. Humbier,
Yes.
you could try to do half my bridge.
Wait, where's Shane and Eric's scraps? Because the bottom of y'all's bridge is still there. Can we just test the bottom of a bridge?
12.6 pounds.
We're second place. Hey, but we're second place.
We don't know that yet. Don't y'all remember? It's not that number that counts.
You said 12.6.
Yeah. All right, if you guys will, take your bridges and sit down at your tables.
Get out of my chair.
Okay.
And get your piece of paper ready at your seats. Okay.
Goodbye, cool world.